Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can create new catalog on Facebook and connect it to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook account and then click on the Ads Manager account. Then click on the menu button. After that, select Commerce Manager. And then under the Commerce account, select Add Account button. And then select Facebook out of the two options and then click on the Next button. So now under where do you want to sell, click on the Create New page. And now choose the category. So here you will fill all the requirements and create page. And then click on the Next button. After that, confirm your business email address. And then click on the Next button. Now create new catalog name. And then again click on the Next button. Now select the country and click on Finish Setup button. After that, click on Get Started and connect data. So that's how you will create new catalog on Facebook and connect you to Shopify's. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.